All right, let's move on. How to properly analyze the offer. This is completely yours. No, let's share it. Let's share it.
Would you be so kind to start, please?
I will start. Analyzing the conversion flow and the budget. Choose a conversion flow that it is not too hard for you to convert on.
As we mentioned previously,
experience is the key here, the
Yeah.
alpha and the omega. And we repeat it because it's true, guys. If it's easy, if you're a beginner, it's easier to go with easier, etc.
And make sure that the conversion flow matches the budget you want to use. Because let's say you have, I don't know, $200 for a test, right? You don't want to start with this budget for the offer, which payout is more than like, $200, because you might lose the money, right?
Mm-hmm.
I would definitely stick with a small budget with lower payouts, right?
Mm-hmm. I go?
Yes, please.
Okay. Don't go for a conversion flow that's too expensive to test.
This is what I actually explained.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't want to go, because I was reading the I was reading the chat and I didn't hear what you said.
You can grab the next one.
Okay. Always aim to achieve your profit forecast. When you start an offer, you most probably know what to expect. If it doesn't achieve that, then we have to either move on or act on it. But if you are on a low ROI for quite long, we said that we really need to move on, guys.
August is asking, how much would you recommend for Swiss turkey? What do you mean? How much do I recommend a payout or what testing budget?
Let's see. Okay, let's play.
Let's play.
Which conversion flow could bring you higher payouts? Click to SMS or cost per sale?
It's an easy one, right?
For us, it is, but let's see. I mean, who are we to judge?
Francine, I would like to see a pro showing how he does and how much he makes on this. On what? I'm sorry.
I'm waiting for the answer from our affiliates here.
Okay, CPS. Okay,
CPS.
That was actually easy.
Okay, yes. And if you why it gives you bigger payouts? Because it's more difficult to achieve the conversion.
Right.
Let's go.
Second step is analyzing the vertical. That you need to fully understand the industry or the flow of the offer. What it means once you get the link. Make sure you follow it. Make sure you understand how this kind of vertical is working. Right?
Yes. Shasang is saying that Andrea is busy sending blogs and they're confused where to look. And you also look at us, the presentation.
Yes.
But Andrea, please keep sending the blogs because, guys, these blogs and everything, the links are gold.
Yeah.
Old but gold.
For sure.
Okay, understand the potential for the Geo, OS, operation system, platforms, and creatives. How to understand this? If you go through Spy Tools and you see that an offer is running in US, on iOS, whatever, and it's booming, it means that there is a potential, so a good potential. So when you start, like before you start, you have to plan your budget, your forecast, and then have the good knowledge to start it.
Okay.
Easy. Yeah.
Sorry for interruption analyzing the vertical, but I have a good question here. Real practice of making money with PropellerAds. I think you guys already have this kind of webinar, right? Previously. Means how to set up the campaign. This is what you mean. Maybe we have any kind of links.
Maybe Andrea can also send one more.
Andrea, please send the link. How to make money with PropellerAds.
Yes. All right.
You can be more specific in your questions here. So another game for you guys. Which of these two verticals is more for experienced users, huh? Finance or dating?
Tell us.
Yes.
We know again the answer.
Okay.
We asked and they told us. Andrea is on it. She's gonna send the link. Be prepared. Be prepared, Shashank. So tell us, guys, finance or dating? Finance or dating? Finance or dating? I think I made the point.
Cool. I'm just kidding. The blocks actually helps.
Let's see a few more answers and then we say the correct one. Finance.
Yeah,
that's
cool.
unanimous.
Yeah.
That's unanimous. Imagine if it was wrong. But no, it's true. It's finance. Offers
job,
like
guys.
Forex, you can get paid on FTD. But to achieve an FTD, a first-time deposit, you need a lot of
efforts,
and efforts.
money.
So yeah, they can.
Okay, so how about analyzing geos and payouts?
Can I?
Yes, please.
Choose a geo that goes with your affiliate level. We say it again and again. Experience plays a huge role. Use it.
But also, it's our humble opinion.
Yes.
If you guys know what you're doing, you're always welcome to test anything.
For sure.
So, and the earning potential, check with your manager the average CR of the offer and the payout ratio. Means that we can provide this kind of information, and you can build up your budget according to this information.
Check for tier 3 offers. As we said, we can help you make a lot of money with them, and they're easier. Okay, analyzing the offer conditions. Verify if there are any cappings. So if the advertiser is asking you to provide 100 installs per day and you provide 300, then there is 200 installs that you will not get paid for.
Yes.
That's it.
Make sure you read the description and condition of the offer. Also, read carefully about the restrictions when it comes to traffic. Maybe some forbidden formats, maybe some forbidden images and stuff like that.
And aim for offers that will not need too long to check the quality. We prefer real-time verifications. If that's not possible, the lowest it is, the better.
Okay, actually, Andreas sent the workshop for beginners. Thank you very much.
Okay, analyzing the creative materials. Spy tools.
Spy tools. Do you guys know any spy tools? Do you know what we're talking about? Spy tools, it's basically a website where you can check what's going on currently in affiliate marketing field. As we're speaking about the campaigns, tracking links, creatives, and stuff like that.
Consider how much time and money you will need to invest in new creatives, because if it's gonna waste your time for like 3 days, then maybe just get something ready-made. Yes. And
last, verify that the offer creatives perform well. Means that always use different approach, A/B testing and things like that.
Plexity is playing on the
Plexity. Thank you very much.
Tracks. Thank you guys. Thank you for giving ideas to everyone. Analyze the target audience.
Yes.
Make sure you find the proper audience for the offer. Again, I will say it again.
Yes, please.
Dating.
What about dating?
No. Okay. No, let's do it. If the advertiser is looking for female audiences between 20 and 40, then you will not target men 50 plus. And that's it.
And don't go for the offer that is too niche. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to target this kind of specific audience.
Yes, the more narrow the offer is, the more
expensive or more complicated sources.
Just make sure that you know how complicated it is from before. Also, choose an audience with a difficulty level that matches your experience. I'm smiling because we're repeating it again, but it's true.
Actually, we're like on a TED Talks. You know what they're doing? So they
sending a message.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. No, they telling you something, then they repeat what they just told us, and at the end of the show, they just summarize everything. So basically, all TED Talks like 3 repetitive things. So we getting closer to TED Talks, right?
I think TED Talks should be sponsoring us as well. Marketing team, please write TED Talks as well for the next marketing efforts of us. Okay, describe the audience for this offer.
Konstantinos, would you be so kind? So what we have here, it's XY VPN pre-lender offer. Means that this offer is already have a pre-lending, which is basically easy for you. Just start driving traffic. Could you describe what kind of audience would be the proper one?
Appropriate.
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Please.
I will. All right. So a VPN is an application that nowadays is basically, I think everybody have one VPN application installed.
Yes.
However, there is more and less need in some cases. So there is countries, as we all know, that there are restrictions on websites and applications when you're streaming, when you're using internet in that countries. So if you want to stream something that you cannot do otherwise, you use a VPN.
Yeah.
And a true real life example is Saudi Arabia.
Yep.
to use. It's okay to use it. Yeah. So there is restrictions there. People want to watch football or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying exactly, but that's the way to do it. So have in mind these kind of ideas and start targeting. By the way, how I see this offer here, it's worldwide. It's good payouts. I know it's not shown. It's good for everyone, but this is as small as you can do. I want to answer a question.
Yes. How about
Can we target by age using PropellerAds? Well, thanks for giving us a pass, David. As of the last 2 months, we created our audiences where you can choose age groups, gender,
wow?
and interest of the
Really?
audience. You know why?
No.
We are gathering our own audiences.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we are able to spread the news, so you can use the audiences for targeting specific.
Actually, it's quite
niche.
cool.
It's very cool. It's
Cool.
very cool. It's for push notifications. It's beautiful. The CTR and the CR there is booming, and day by day the volumes are increasing as well. So make sure to test.
So it means it means that many doors might be opened with this tool, right?
Many doors.
Cool. Cool.
Okay, we cannot target people that are 32 people specifically, but you have age groups, which is a huge benefit for pop and push campaigns in the world we live in.
Yeah.
It's a benchmark. I
Cool.
think. Yes. Let's move on.